During its heyday, Amazon MTurk was the main bill-paying gig for many work-from-home professionals. Now it is more of a monthly coffee money gig if you are patient and know the system. To sign up for MTurk, you will need to set up an Amazon account if you do not already have one. You will visit www.mturk.com. From there, you will click on Get Started with Amazon Mechanical Turk. The next step is to request a worker account. You will then sign into your Amazon account to get started. Amazon will review your account request and email you within 3 business days. To see any remotely decent tasks, you will need to successfully complete at least 100 tasks with perfect or near perfect ratings. Most people reach this milestone by working 101-cent jobs. They are usually quick, easy, and quickly rated. The tasks available range from completing surveys to transcription. You may be asked to complete website evaluations and even be hired onto MTurk to regularly work for the higher paying tasks. Thus, it is a good idea to at least create a MTurk account and work on reaching that first milestone in your board, would be scrolling social media time. To use scripts on MTurk, you need to install a browser extension like Tampermonkey, which allows you to run user scripts, then find and install the desired MTurk script from a repository like Greasy Fork and activate it within your browser when accessing the MTurk website. This will enable added functionality to streamline your work on the platform. Key steps. Install a user script manager. Go to your browser's extension store like Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ons. Search for Tampermonkey and add it to your browser. Find MTurk scripts. Go to a website like Greasy Fork. Search for MTurk to browse available scripts. How to install a script. Click on the script you want to use. The script will automatically install through Tampermonkey. Enable the script. Access the MTurk website on your browser. The script should automatically activate and provide its features within the MTurk interface. Important points to consider. Script functionality. Different MTurk scripts can perform various tasks like automatically refreshing hits, highlighting specific requesters, adding keyboard shortcuts, or improving the layout of the MTurk interface. These tools are pretty unobtrusive and create a much easier MTurk experience. Caution. Some tasks are truly more trouble than they are worth. Do not be afraid to pull out a calculator and do the math to determine if a task is even worth your time. For example, a survey pays $2. Great. But the survey takes 1 hour to complete? Awful. If the survey can be completed in, say, 2 to 4 minutes, then this could be worth the time. On the other hand, if it truly takes 1 hour, then this is a waste of time and other options should be examined. MTurk has a cult following that has been with the platform for years, primarily because of the ease of getting started and the fact that it can be a truly helpful gig to have in a pinch. I do not recommend depending on MTurk to support your family unless you live in a country where the living wage is less than $5 per day. For the group, as mentioned earlier, this is a great way to work from home and support your family. If you live in Western nations, it would be advisable to consider other options and use MTurk for emergency quick coffee money.